Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone actually records HDR, check model compatibility, and install the latest iOS. Once done, clear a few gigabytes and charge the battery so recording won't stop. Then open Settings, go to Camera, tap Record Video and enable HDR video, Dolby Vision. Choose 4K and a frame rate your model supports. Doing this ensures the camera captures extended dynamic range rather than tone mapping it away, so highlights retain detail and colors stay richer. Now you'll shape the image. Compose with both bright highlights and deep shadows in mind so HDR can do useful work. Tap and hold on your subject to lock AE/AF, then slide the exposure control up or down to prevent clipping. This keeps details in both ends of the histogram. Once that's set, stabilize with a tripod or gimbal, or add an ND filter when outside. Adjusting resolution or frame rate can also reduce noise and improve perceived dynamic range while you record. Finally, import and edit the clip in an HDR-aware app, Photos, iMovie, or Final Cut, using an HDR timeline so color and contrast are preserved. When exporting, choose options that retain Dolby Vision. Share with AirDrop or Apple devices to avoid forced SDR conversion. If playback looks flat or HDR won't record, make sure HDR is still enabled, restart the phone, free up more storage, and confirm your model and iOS support the chosen Dolby Vision frame rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.